Have you ever felt that all the good software is always paid and the free ones are just average? Today, that changes. You're about to discover 5 powerful and completely free programs that most people don't even know exist. And honestly, some of these feel too good to be free. If you're excited already, hit the like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope so you never miss the best free tools on the internet. Let's begin. The first software on our list is Zen Browser. This browser is trending everywhere right now. It's completely free, open source, and built on Mozilla Firefox, but redesigned with a calm and modern layout inspired by the Arc browser, which has stopped getting updates. Zen Browser focuses on creating a clean and distraction-free browsing experience. It gives you workspaces to organize tabs, a compact mode that hides the tab bar when you don't need it, a glance feature that makes switching tabs faster, and split view to see 2 tabs side by side. The moment you open it, it feels different. Instead of having everything at the top like traditional browsers, Zen Browser moves your address bar, bookmarks, tabs, and workspaces into a simple sidebar on the left. It is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The second software is Affinity. This one is a big update for creative users. Affinity used to be a paid alternative to Adobe, but after being acquired by Canva, the entire Affinity suite is now completely free, and you get all 3 tools combined in one app. Vector Mode works like Adobe Illustrator for graphics and logo design. Pixel Mode works like Photoshop or GIMP for image editing and retouching. Layout Mode works like Adobe InDesign for posters, brochures, magazines, and book layouts. Earlier, all these tools were paid separately. Now they are free. The layout is simple, with primary tools on the left and extra options including the color picker on the right. Only the Canvas section powered by Canva requires a paid Canva subscription. The full Affinity suite is free for Windows and Mac, with an iPad version coming soon. The third software is Opera Air, a new browser designed around mindfulness and calm browsing. It helps you stay focused and relaxed with features like mindful breaks, smart exercises, and guided meditations. Soon, it will also include boosts, which use binaural beats to improve focus and creativity. The layout is simple and clutter-free. You get a clean search bar, peaceful website shortcuts, and a left sidebar with workspaces, boosts, and the Take a Break feature. Opera Air works on Windows and Mac OS. The fourth software is Flow Launcher, a fast and powerful productivity tool for Windows. It lets you open apps, search files, launch websites, run commands, and even do quick calculations from a single search bar. To open it, press Alt and Spacebar. Type what you want, like Handbrake, and press Enter. Flow Launcher supports plugins, themes, hotkeys, and has a full plugin store. During installation, Windows might show a warning saying this app might put your PC at risk. This is normal for open source tools, and Flow Launcher has been trusted by IT and security professionals for years. Just click More Info and run anyway. For Mac users, a similar tool is Alfred. The fifth and final software is Microsoft PC Manager, a free tool for Windows 10 and Windows 11. It helps clean and speed up your computer safely. It offers a quick cleanup, a performance boost, virus and threat scanning, storage cleanup to remove large files and duplicates, startup app control, and a toolbox with additional utilities. It's much safer than older cleaners like CC Cleaner, which have had issues over the years. You can get Microsoft PC Manager directly from the Microsoft Store. And that completes our list of 5 powerful free tools. Some help you work faster, some help you stay calm, and some, like Affinity, give you professional power without costing anything. If you discovered something new today, give this video a like. Tell me in the comments which software you're excited to try first. And if you're new here, subscribe to SoftwareHope and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.